proud occasion when Dr. Breast Chakrabarti, he visited this hospital. He from Institute of the Eye Institute of Harvard Medical School. They have eye research into Harvard Medical School, USA. So he wrote, "It has been pleasure being present here. I wish the best for the ophthalmological unit of this hospital. The eye unit of the hospital has been wonderful. It is functioning very wonderful. Dr. Manoj Datta, Dr. J. Bhuya, Dr. Chaitali Vasu, and the team of eye doctors along with the technicians, they are performing very nicely. Our eye department is highly recognized all over India. Why? It is one of the best eye departments in Indian Railways." So it was praised none other than Dr. Brishen Chakravarti, who came from the Eye Research Institute, Harvard, USA.